Hi there. I was going to try something I ain't done before. I'm going to do some cauliflower rice because we're going to have curry tonight. And on this low carb diet, we're not allowed to have rice because it's high in carbs, you see. So I've never done this before, and it seems a bit strange. You know, have a good cauliflower like this, you know, and you want that cauliflower cheese, don't you? But you're not allowed cheese sauce because it's got flour in it. So what I'm going to do is, apparently I've got a grater first, so I'm going to just get the florets out, and you pretty much grate it all, apart from the green stuff. So if I cut it at the back here, so remove as much of the leaf as we possibly can. Well, that's what I'm assuming you do. Like so. It's your brain. So we get rid of this bit now. So, I've got a grater, so you've got a couple of choices. You either use grater or use food processor. And I've opted for the lazy option of the food processor because we've got one. I'm going to just cut the brain in half. Brain. Quite pretty, it looks like a tree, doesn't it? So, you grate everything. You not just the florets, the stalk as well. So we use all of it. So we just cut this into sizes that will go into the food processor. I'm trying to sound like somebody who knows what they're talking about, but I've never done this before. Fun. Let's have some fun, baby. There we go. I don't have the plunger. It's got a texture. Oh my gosh, we'll fall out the bottom. Put it in there ready. So that's what we've got. We've got this sort of grated cauliflower. It looks a bit like grated coconut. But the next stage, heating of the oil, or the butter. Got the wok. So I'm going to assume 2 portions are going to be probably about 3 handfuls. I might be wrong. Cauliflower being what it is, you can eat it raw anyway, so you don't want to overcook this. We're going to do a cauliflower stir fry. Once it's done, you do this for about 5 to 10 minutes until it becomes tender. You want the texture. You know, I've done a low carb diet before, but it's basically just ate meat and cheese, and they said towards the end you add a pinch of salt. Once that's cooked, I'll then decant that into a dish. Is that big enough? I think that'll be big enough, won't it? What I'll do is I'll put this in here, cover it up, put it to one side, not upside down, obviously, right up, and get on with the actual curry itself. Right, I think it's probably far enough done. It's actually quite nice. I suppose why wouldn't it be? It's cauliflower. Cauliflower's lovely. Yeah, that's quite a good substitute. Interesting. Yep, that's done enough for now. Oh, I'm making a mess. Like my wife says, you always make a mess. So there we got it. That's our cauliflower rice. Cauliflower rice, ready to go. That's actually really nice. Yeah, really good. I recommend that. Not necessarily as an alternative, but as a replacement. You know, why have rice all the time? Why can't we just have a grated cauliflower like that? That's lovely. Anyway, yeah, I'll give yourself a thumbs up and that, and subscribe and that. And you know, if you want to come around, ring the old doorbell and we'll have a munch. Thank you for watching.